going on, everybody? Noah Guy LLC here. Got a dryer vent cleaning going down today. We removed the unit so we could go at it from inside the house. And then I went outside and gave it the old reach around. Hey, yo. No, in all seriousness, I wanted to make sure that it was clear from both ends. As you can see, there was still some lint coming out on the ground there, but we got most of it from inside. It was a short run. And we hooked everything back up, and I mean, look at that damper. It won't even close anymore. Nothing but clean airflow, baby. Boom. Don't forget to text me to clean your vents, everybody.